Hi, fourth graders. Today we are going to begin our week with some vocabulary about rocks. We're starting a unit about rocks and erosion and the Earth's crust. And so we are going to learn some words we're going to need while we are studying rocks. The first one we're going to think about is the word earthquake. You may have heard about an earthquake before. It's a major geological event when the plates suddenly shift and release stored energy, a frequent occurrence along all types of plate boundaries. That means that sometimes the plates, the parts of the earth that are on top of the earth, the ground, will move and create and will make the earth shake a little bit. Fossils. You may have heard about fossils in third grade. Fossils are preserved parts or traces of an animal, of plants and animals that lived in the past. Rock formations are rock arrangements such as sea stacks, arches, mesas, and gorges. They are created by weathering and erosion. This is what a gorge looks like. It's a narrow valley between hills or mountains, typically with steep rocky walls and a stream running through it. Here is an arch. You can see that the way the rock is formed, that there is a hole kind of in the middle of the rock that makes an arch shape. A mesa is an isolated, flat-topped hill with steep sides. Mesa in Spanish, as you might know, means table, and those kind of look like tables. A sea stack is a formation of rock consisting of a steep and often vertical column. So it's a column of rock in the sea near a coast, and it's formed by wave erosion. Rock layers. Stacked levels of rocks with different compositions and fossils deposited over time. The oldest layers at the bottom and the youngest layers at the top. There's a picture of some rock layers, and here are two other pictures of rock layers. You can see that as the rocks are weathering and the earth is changing, there are different colors of rock, and you can see that it makes a little pattern of layering. Landscape. The landscape is simply what you can see of an area. You may have done some landscape work with Miss Lamore in art. Evidence. You've heard this word a lot, and possibly in ELA. It is talking about the information that supports an idea. All right, before you turn this off, we're going to do one more thing. We're going to listen to a song. So go ahead and listen to this song.
The surface of our earth is constantly changing. Its crust is always shifting and rearranging. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides are fast, while glaciers and weathering take time to go past. All together on the crust that transforms into valleys, canyons, mountains, and other landforms. The volcano shoots matter into the air. All the people around it had better beware. As its high lava cools, it turns into sand. Like Hawaii's islands, they sure are great. The surface of our earth is constantly changing. Its crust is always shifting and rearranging. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides are fast, while glaciers and weathering take time to go past. All together on the crust to transform into valleys, canyons, mountains, and other landforms. An earthquake will cause the mountains to shake. The earth's crust breaks like a giant flake. In a sandbox or beachside, a sand dune is blown, creating new landscapes from somewhere unknown. The surface of our earth is constantly changing. Its crust is always shifting and rearranging. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides are fast, while glaciers and weathering take time to go past. All together on the Erosion moves landscapes from one place to the next, disappearing their massively farmers say. Deposition is when Earth's materials will drop. A delta shows the river carry dirt till it stops. The surface of our Earth is constantly changing. Its crust is always shifting and rearranging. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides are fast, while glaciers and weathering take time to go past. Armed together on the crust to transform into valleys, canyons, mountains, and other landforms.
All right, that's the end of our video. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you enjoyed our vocabulary. If you need to review any vocabulary, just feel free to rewind our video.
Bye. What?